Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about impromptu speech that is like speaking without any preparation. How can you do it? So there are many instances in our life where we are required to speak in situations which are unexpected. So in those circumstances, our mind will be blank. We don't know what to do, and we'll be literally shivering, and a lot of fear will be there within us, and again the confidence level will be low. So to handle such situations, we have a technique where you can utilize uh, to get content and start at least speak front of the audience, or in that given circumstance at least for 3 to 4 minutes. That's fairly good enough time for you to speak to people, right? So when you are in such situations, what you need to do is okay. Before that, I would request everyone to subscribe my channels or follow me on LinkedIn, Facebook, or on Instagram, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, you'll be getting a lot of such videos which will definitely help you in your journey in public speaking. Okay, see now. Let us see if someone has a friend of you or a group of friends are there, and they are discussing about this topic which is called as cars, right? And, so all of a sudden you don't have the information or any content to speak to their friend of your friends, and that will make you feel bad. So what you can do is you can answer these questions first. That is like what, why, where, how, who, and when. If you are able to answer these questions on this given topic of cars, you will be able to speak more and confidently. Now let's answer the first question. Again, what is a car? A car is it's like it is a automobile, or it is a machine which helps people travel from one place to another place. Okay, so you got some content there. Next is, why do we need a car? See, we need a car because when we are traveling together with family, friends, colleagues, where there is a group, definitely we need one transportation system which can carry all of us together, right, and have some privacy. So that's a reason we need a car. Okay, so you got a little more content here. Next thing is where all you can use cars. See, the cars can be used in the highways, the roads, and cars are used for a lot of purposes. Like, say for example, it's used for in the rental business of your cabs. It's used for personal purpose. Cabs are again used for trips, tours, and also cars are used by different peoples for different purposes. For, as I said, for tours and travels. Uh, some people may use a car to drop off their children to the school, and they may use a car to drop off to the hospital, right? Like this, these are the instances, few of the instances where they will be using the car. So you got a little more information here. Okay. Now the next question is, how do you use a car? Definitely, you can. First is you need to know the driving skills, right, and you need to know the traffic rules. The next thing is you need to be a little aware of how the engine works, and how does the gear work, and what is the car dynamics, and where the car buttons are placed, and uh, uh, like this, you need to get some basic information about your own car, what's the mileage, and in what speeds it works, or how it responds. So you need to know the car dynamics and the driving skills. Okay, and who all would use the car? It's like any person who's above the age of 18, a youngster, or a person who is it could be a colleague, it could be an adult, it could be a lady, a woman, or an elderly person. So these are the people, or a cab driver may use the car. And when it is used, to see when the car is used, when as I said, the why and the where, it has similar questions. The car is used when uh, you have to transport people, when you need to go together, and when you have to even carry some luggage. That is when you need to use the car, right? And when it is raining, when it is very hot, when you have to travel very faraway places, right, where you have already planned for a trip. So these are the circumstances where you'll be using your car. See, now I was able to generate so many ideas by using this technique of what, why, where, how, who, when, right? So if you are able to use this techniques for any, you can use this these six questions or the six words to generate ideas, content for any topic. Okay, you name it, you can just create content on the go, and you can start speaking. Okay, it's just a matter of time. It will help you get thoughts, and you can formulate your content and start speaking about it. Okay, so this is all about impromptu speaking, or trying to speak without any preparation, right? So yes, so this is that's all I had for today. And again, I would request everyone to subscribe my channels, the YouTube, the Instagram, the Facebook, and the LinkedIn. Follow me there. I'm definitely sharing all these videos. And thanks for watching my channel, and have a wonderful a day ahead, viewers.